Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix an ArcDLL error. So usually this app or this error, happen when you are playing games or you want to extract or install games because of the Windows missing of an ArcDLL. So here, fix missing DLL with special softwares thanks to windowsreport.com to make it easier to give you tips about this. Or you can download an ArcDLL on dllfiles.com here. You can download manually this file and put on your system. And also you can run system file checker. You can run cmd command prompt and run as administrator, of course, and try to run this text. You can pause this video, and of course this text also sfc scan now to fix your corrupted or missing system files. And of course you can reinstall the software, and if necessary you can roll back Windows to Windows 10 with system restore. So this is how you can fix it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.